So if your car comes up with low pressure and you've got a tyre monitoring system on your car, then you're going to get this sort of stuff coming up on the dashboard. I'm showing you now. If you haven't got a monitoring system, then I recommend that you keep an eye on your tyres regular, probably once a month, check them, just so that you don't have to drive around with low tyre pressure, because if you do, the tyres are going to get hot, it's going to be hard to steer. Your tyre is actually going to wear down quicker if you're driving around with low pressure, because it's wearing out quicker, it's not even, and you're going to get less miles per gallon at the same time. So it's warned me that my pressures are low on the car, so what I'm going to do is park up a petrol station that's got a pressure gauge and get it checked out, get them inflated. Let's go and do it. So we'll just approach the pump, check that it's working all right. Yeah, everything looks fine. It's saying cash only. Sometimes use credit cards on them, and then going around to each tyre first, take the dust caps off, which is these little things here, these little black things, they screw off. You can get them different colours. It's to keep the dust out of the valve, which is what you put the air into. So I'm going to go around taking the dust caps off each tyre, and because it's a windy day, I'm going to put them in my pocket. But if it's not so windy, you could put them at the side of your car, the tyres, as long as you remember to put them back on, that is. There's the third one. And one advantage of having a dust cap on, stops all the dirt from getting inside. Yeah. And so when you come to use the tyres to inflate them, then it's going to be easy to inflate, because if it's full of dust or dirt, you're going to struggle to inflate the tyre. So that's it. So yeah, put them aside, what's I'm pointing to there. And then checking what pressure we need for the tyres. So most cars on the plates at the side there, front and back tyres, you can come in there, so it's saying 250 per tyre or 36 psi. So let's put the pound coin in. There we go, and it's psi 250. I'm going to do that too. There we go, it's 250. Bring it down, and then basically just push it on. And what you're listening for is the air over there, and when it's full up, you hear a bleep. There you go, there's your 3 bleeps. And all you do is lift it off. I'm going to repeat that on the front one. Just bring it down here again. On the front one, push it on. Same sort of thing. It's going to put the air in it. So you hold it still. You can hear it getting pumped in. And when it gets to the setting, it'll bleep 3 times. Release it. And I'm just going to double check. It's still setting it all once. So I'm going to take it all the way around to the other side. I'm not going to put it over the car. I'm going to put it under the car. The reason why I want to put it under the car, I don't want to scratch the paintwork or rub plastic on it. So let's do this side here. Pop it on and hold it still for the air to get pumped in it. Listen out for the bleep. Got a bit of while, this one. There we go. That comes. One more tyre. So grab the rubber again. Try not to scratch the bonnet, so I'm pulling it away. Underneath again. There we go, final one. Now that's inflating. You could look over at the screen over there, which is a bit sunny, but I'm listening out for the bleep. Now don't forget, if you've got a spare tyre, to actually do your spare tyre at the same time, check it. I'm just waiting now for it to fill up. Nearly done. Not all before tyres then. There we go, there's your 3 bleeps. Take that off. Try not to scratch the car. Paintwork. Might be gutted. And then replace the caps, the air valves. So we're going down on this one here now, and then putting them back on. It's quite important to put them back on because it keeps all the dust caps, all the dust and dirt getting inside this valve here. So that when you come to check the tyres and inflate again, it's actually working. You can't, because if you get full of dust and dirt, you're not going to be able to re-inflate your tyres. The valve's not going to work. Now, I recommend you checking your tyres at least once a month, me personally, because I do a lot of mileage. Get another one. There we go, and the final one. Oops, just dropped it. There we go. There's the final one. Done, all four. Let's bring that round here. And back in here. So yeah, just a quick recap then. Check your tyres regular. If you're lucky enough, you're going to have a tyre system on your car. If you've got a lucky car, like I said there, go on the dashboard. But when I start driving, that's going to disappear. I'm going to reset it off. But your tyre monitoring system there, if that comes on, you just got to be checking your tyres, because you could have a slow puncher. So just be careful. Hope it's helped you. If it has, fantastic.